I think the first one is figure out what you have. I mean, the Air Force has 2,000 to 3,000 applications that we know of. And so you have to understand that if you're going to migrate or you're going to move to a cloud environment or virtualized environment, you have to do the inventory. And that's the assumption, and the normal assumption is that they are not duplicative of each other, which is the wrong assumption. And the philosophy sometimes is you have to move an application in some order, and then later you find you have a duplicative application, and then you have to figure out what you're going to do with that after you compress it or whatever. And the other thing is, as Nick said, you have to have some support. You have to support the application owners. I mean, without a doubt. I mean, we've done that now. Same thing, it's an overhead function. It's necessary because you have to get them to the point of saying, yeah, I know, because they have no idea how to migrate anything to a cloud. I mean, they've heard about lift and shift being wonderful, you know, and it doesn't work. We all know that already. But it's a question of getting them the help to figure out, okay, let's do the analysis to determine maybe this application should be in a cloud or not. Maybe it should be in the same cloud, but 2 or 3 other applications that they're exchanging data with. Because this is very much for us, is that if you're going to have exchange data across multiple clouds, you better understand the cost factors for doing that. And also determining what, based on what the application is and the amount of data that's being moved around, what exactly is the best cloud provider? Is it internal to us? I mean, it's going to be some of us for the base level, but is it internal, a DoD cloud? Is it a commercial cloud? Is it someplace else that we haven't talked about yet?